Stay with me. Hey guys. I'm sick and tired of my hair, so I'm gonna cut it myself. I'm gonna do a shag, or attempt to do a shag. Brad Mondo, he gave a tutorial on how to do it. Oh my god, that part is straight. Anyway, he gave a tutorial of how to do it, from like the ponytail and then like restyling it and like actually cutting. Anyways, so I'm gonna be following that, and I need to wet my hair really quick. So oh, actually I need to set this. Oh, it's so bright. I need to set this up for the floor, because yeah. Oh, also, yeah, anyways, my socks is in the car. I wet my hair. I just have it up here. I have the video pulled up. First, I kind of just want to, I'll just do it in one go. Let's see.
Get our fingers in there.
Hold on, this is hard.
What you can do if you want to be sure that you're not cutting out the length is take a piece out. Just adds a lot of layering. So we're going to comb it out, put our fingers.
Let's hope I don't mess this up, because it's barely October.
Get excited. Get excited. Okay, brush. And we are going to do a little scissor moment with our fingers. Get our fingers in there on the ends. I'm going to be cutting off 3 or 4 inches off the top right.
Put it in a high ponytail. I mean, I don't really care if my hair's messed up. Kinda do. Because I have cheer and my senior portrait. Woo! I hope, is this recording? Okay, is the back straight? I would hope so. This is the last brush. I'm just making sure everything is straight before I put it up. My hair is so long, that's why I want to cut it. Because, one, I don't know how to style it when it's long and it's hard to maintain. Ow! Ow! Just got smacked. Ta-da! Ooh. Just double tie it just in case. Okay. Okay.
That ends, and then cutting there, that is going to give you a cut that does not get rid of the link cross. So now we have that cut just like that. I'll show you guys that. What's happening?
Maybe I should have gotten someone to cut this for me. Alright, I can do it. I can do it. It's just so hard to see it. Let me do this. Right here, let me cut it right here. And I'll chop like the other length later. I have scissors for hair, by the way, so. Also, why am I cutting my hair? Because, one, I don't like the length, and also I cannot find like a good place that knows how to cut it. Okay. Okay, I hope this is not too short. I mean, well, this not going back now. Well, it's my senior year, so I gotta start thinking about college. and I am thinking about college. So right now my top college is where is that? San Francisco. Alright. Nothing is exciting about my life except that I'm, you know, cutting my hair by myself. My battery died, but I still haven't done anything. I was just evening it out anyways. So that's the hair. Okay. It's time to pull it out.
Really long, it's gonna start to get short. Alright, so here is what we have now. We have these layers sitting about right there, which is a great spot. We also have this layering of...
This is really scary, actually. I can't do a middle part because I have a cowlick, like right on my hair. So the best I could do is like this part right here. Is this?
Touches to make this be spectacular, even better than what it already is. So let's part our hair down the middle, out right behind.
I think that's too long.
And just push the rest of the hair back, or clip it if you want.
Let me check. Alright. I just checked. I moved it kind of to the back, and I'm gonna cut it shorter because how impulsive are you? Drop that down below. Comment down below. Okay. Woo. Okay. Impulsive ass haircut. No. The best it'll do. Let's see again. Because I don't want it long, but I also don't want it. Yeah? Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Exciting. It's not as long as before. If it doesn't look good. I mean, it's shorter at least, so. Oh. Okay. I think. Let me check. I checked it. Anyway, so. You said behind the ear.
This front section out right behind the ear, and just push the rest of the hair back, or clip it if you would like. We're gonna work this in two sections.
Yeah,
I'm going to over direct the hips.
Okay, so two sections. Let's go with this one first.
I'm going to over direct the hair all the way to the other side. And you see how I have those two shorter pieces? I'm just gonna cut off.
Make a straight cut. Wrap the hair. Okay.
You see that? It ends right at the chin. It's so pretty, and that was extremely easy to do.
Alright, behind the ear again. This time to the other side. To the other side again. What is this? Oh. Okay, I switched to my phone, but anyways, how am I gonna watch the video? Anyways, two parts here. Do the same thing on this side. So, he said go like this. Find the shortest one and cut it there. Make sure to brush it. I'm gonna create that frame around your face. Uh-oh. We have to see when I get dressed, but we're not done yet. There's more. BRB. I need to watch it. We're in the curtain bangs part. He said get a triangle. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. Literally what he said. And then just where your nose start, and then oh god. little snippets. Literally, like, I don't know what to tell you, but okay, so here's what I have. It's actually, I like it, but right now I'm like, what is that thing? Styling it, shearing it. If there's like a heavy part, I just cut it and then don't go, he said don't go crazy with this, but I feel like that's what's gonna give it style is this. So I am going a little bit crazy with this. He said just pick out the one which you think feels heavy or looks heavy and then just like, but he said don't go crazy with this, which I've already said, but anyways. I don't like the front parts. Oh, here, aftermath. And then I wanted me how to smooth it too, but I'll do that like soon after cheer. So, okay. Don't do this to your hair. Get it professionally cut. If you want it to look like how mine looked like, I guess do this. But oh crap, I grabbed the wrong one. Shit. Oh no, I grabbed the wrong one. See? Oh god, okay. No, so, yeah, don't do what I did. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't cry, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, hide it with, okay. So when you're cutting your hair like this, make sure this one is not here. I cut about this chunk. And I really cannot do anything about it, dude. Anyways, thank you for watching. It really wants me to do a mullet. Fuck! No. I mean, I can totally hide it with the other hair, but it's right there. I was doing fine, and then accidentally grabbed the wrong scissors. Can you see? There's just a bit like I'm slowly turning into Hoshi. Like there's just like this much chunk. I could just hide it right here. Hey, little squirt. I'm out. I'm gonna cry.